Hello guys, today I will be changing the auxiliary battery on my XC60. This is a very easy job to do. So the battery is located inside this box, so we will have to remove these two bolts first. So you will need a 8mm. So once you have removed the lid, you will find the auxiliary battery, and this is the positive terminal and the negative terminal. These are also held in by 8mm bolts. Before removing the bolts, we will be removing the negative terminal on the main battery. Like that. After you have loosened up the screw, you can remove the negative terminal. And we will be removing the positive terminal first. And now for the negative one. And now we can pull out the battery. So here is the old one, here is the new one. Make sure that they are the same spec. So 12 volts. And now we want to make sure that the positive is on the positive side and the negative is on the negative side. So it goes in like this. Just like that. So red to red and black to black. positive terminal and the negative terminal. Both are fastened down, and as you can see, the battery is shaking a bit inside, but it will be held in by the tray, so it won't be shaking. Put the tray back in and take your screws for the tray. And that is it for the battery. It's inside now and connected. What we will be doing next now is to reconnect the negative terminal on the main battery. And now reconnect the negative terminal . Just like that, and reconnect the sensor. Start the car, make sure everything is okay, no warning lights. And that will be it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please put them down in the comments, and please like and subscribe. Thanks.